In front of me is REALME C33 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now choose Connected Devices and tap on Connection Preferences. Following that, you need to click on Printing section, and if you wish to, tap on Default Print Service right away and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one. Go back and tap on Add Service. Then download the preferable one and click on the back button twice. Over here, click on your service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!